Так, где они едем?
Ох, ни хрена себе!
Ага.
Ох, охренеть! Whoa, fuck!
Bondarev's going to have the upper hand round the outside. He's going to storm him down the main straight. Oh, Bondarev and Matveev come together on the main straight. Oh my goodness. Big shunt, big shunt.
Happy with that. So then Skinner leads from Brad Ray, then a bit of a go. Oh, and Jackson! And that's on the top of the mountain. There's another rider down as well. Oh, no! Deary.
Play going the opposite way. Look how ruddy it was. Raper collects.
Oh my goodness sakes! And this is not part of Monster Energy Supercross.
That axle is not happy at all. Whoa!
Mercandelli che va a incappare in una side del contatto con Spinelli, pericolosissimo. Incredibilmente Spinelli rimane in piedi e per fortuna Mercandelli la moto.
Little motherfuckers.
We knew we had a challenge. Rebuffed, the Riggio brothers went home and started...
reference to the so talked about. How would you like it, Britain, if people came in?